Hi guys, welcome to another mini vlog. Yes, it's been a while, but today we're going to be heading into Captains Cove Restaurant and Bar. We're going to be having lunch. There are other activities to do, especially when you have kids. There's a boardwalk with like a lot of shops. You could do some shopping. They opened on Friday, so not all the shops are open, but let me show you around of what's going on. Still waiting. We're closer in the line, but not close enough. Still got a ways to go. The cheeseburger with fries. Cheeseburger with cheese. Yeah. The lobster roll. What's the difference with the Connecticut style and the New England?
So the Connecticut lobster rolls you do, right?
Oh, that's why I'll say the Connecticut. Connecticut lobster roll and the cups of fries. And then
this. So is that the lobster roll with baked potato? Anything else? That's it?
Yes.
No.
yeah, that's it.
Is that for here to go?
For here.
Okay. That's your card. Hi. I can see you.
14? Okay.
Thank you. So order number 14. Can't go too far. Alright, let's go find our spot while we listen up for our number. Man. Wow, this one mouth is very big, Cammy. This is a pretty one. Very pretty. Okay, this food looks good. Time to dig in. Where did they go? Do some hand sanitizer. You gotta like stab it. Okay, so nothing too fancy. I got lemonade. It tastes good. All right, so now let's try the fries. They're warm, they're good. The lobster roll comes on a very long bread. Look, it's really nice. I'm gonna try it out right now. Actually, I'm not gonna take it out the paper because it's gonna fall apart. So I'm gonna keep it like this. Then I'll take my first bite. Just like I remember it. It's warm and buttery. Going for my second bite. Cameron is asking me if it's worth it. This lobster roll costs $39, guys. $39. The last time I came here was like 2 years ago. I think it was like $27 for it. It's good though. I can't say I would buy this like every week, but it's good. And the fries, they're really good too.
No, yeah.
We're gonna walk all the way to the end and come back. Ooh, ice cream. When we're coming back.
Ooh, ice cream.
Do you want to get ice cream, Cam?
Yeah.
Yes, you do. You know you do.
Maybe.
We're going up there. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna take a look at these. Lots of beads, handmade stuff. Keep going, Cammy.
Yeah, we're not put it in yet.
Yeah, like I said, it's early in the season, so not a lot of places are open. What is this? Huh. It's like a carriage. Oh, these are cute.
Show mommy your move. This is actually, I thought, yeah, this is the end of the boardwalk. Ugh, yuck. Oh, that's all.
Oh yeah.
You know what's on
The blue one? Really?
Yeah, exactly what I wanted.
With the hibiscus flower.
Need him though.
It's got your name all over it, man.
I know. I like it.
Huh? Treat yourself to Mother's Day.
Let's look. Thank you.
Hello. Can I have a medium grape nut cone? Want to change my mind?
Can I get half grape nut and half pistachio?
Same way.
And yes. Did you pick up the hand cream?
No, I said.
So cookies and cream. Do you want it in a cone? In a cup?
And how many scoops?
2 scoops. And which one?
Pistachios on top. The flavors are on the top.
The pistachios on top. And candy in a cup. 1 scoop?
Yeah.
Yeah. It does taste like grape nut.
Anything?
That would be it.
35.50 altogether.
What is that one?
It's hard.
What is yours? Cotton candy?
Cotton candy. I'm gonna taste it right now.
Okay. How is it?
It tastes like half cotton candy, and it tastes like half ice cream.
Huh?
But it's fine.
Yep. The ice cream is on the sweet side. A little bit too sweet. Look guys, 2 scoops of ice cream. $9.50. How's it? Is it good? You've had better, okay. I would agree. Still a lot of people here. Okay. Off to location number 2. Brandon is being a gentleman.
I'm not a gentleman.
He just opened my door for me. Look at him. Thank you, buddy.